this is just a little disclaimer. Anybody that has kids running around or watching the TV or within earshot, you probably shouldn't watch this video right now. I swear in this video, I didn't edit it out. I felt as though it was somewhat important to show my, you know, emotions, I guess, if you want to say it like that. So I just left them in there. It is what it is. Viewer discretion is advised.
Yeah, that's my cue to get the fuck out of here. That's a lot of coyotes.
Hello everybody, hello. It's Friday morning. I have the day off from work today. It was given to me as an option. Of course, I took the day off. I'm out here in the woods chasing these rock walls, and I've just come across a little break in the wall. And I can see in the middle is an old post, some barbed wire hanging off of it. Looks like it was an 8x8 post. Whenever you come across these stone walls, I've noticed that they always put the big boulders, the big rocks, the big stones on either side of a break in the wall. I'm imagining this fence post was later, like an after effect, you know what I mean. Yeah, I'm gonna hunt around here and see if there's anything good. Alright, I'm not very far from where I started, which was somewhere over there. You can kind of, I don't know if the camera picks it up, the rock wall's right over there. This whole place is littered with iron, which is good sign. Just came across my first repeatable signal. 13, 14. I'm guessing whatever it is gonna be big because my pinpointer's going off. It's very, there's a lot of mosquitoes out right now. I'm gonna have to use the bug spray. Oh, that's a good sign. That is part of a hoe. Means we're on the right track. It's a nice repeatable mid-tone. It's almost a high tone. I hope it's a brass or copper relic, not a bullet, because I think I'm gonna find a lot of bullets today. Ooh, almost looks like there was a fire here. Oh. Yeah, one of these things. Stuck that shotgun cartridge right there. Same exact signal, a few feet over. Probably the same thing, but you never know. Missed it a little bit. Ah, there we are. Ah, pretty interesting right here. Little stream. Somebody, once upon a time ago, has created some sort of dam across it. And you can see how it's bigger, and it's created a little pond right there. Very neat stuff. Something must have been going on around here. Alright, right here we have a repeatable 14. There is branches and stuff poking me in my head. Underneath some branches.
Alright, either what I'm digging is big-ish or it's close to the surface. Oh, that excited me for a minute. Thought it was a button. For obvious reasons. But it's just another shotgun stamp. Another repeatable mid-tone here. I'm only to assume it's going to be another shotgun cartridge. It's out of the hole, and it is a shotgun cartridge.
And faster the current I'm in, but each night brings the stars, and the song in my heart is a tune for the journeyman's tale. The water sustains me without even trying. The water can't drown me out.
Very scratchy and jumpy signal, but it's been a while since I've gotten anything decent signal wise. I'm not calling those shotgun cartridges decent because they're not, but this kind of gives up a good tone one way, kind of. And it says it's deep. That has me curious. There's a lot of stones around here, just under the brush. Makes me think that something went on right here once upon a time ago. Whether they're just field stones or what, I don't know. I really kind of wish I brought my shovel now. I had this vision in my head of just kind of everything, all the good treasures being right on the surface. Like, oh, I don't really need that shovel. My pinpointer's starting to act up. I've had that carrot for about 3 years now. It's filled with hot glue because I've worn a hole in the tip of it and wanted to keep it waterproof, which has worked, by the way. It's just kind of ghetto. I just want to find something old today. You know, not shotgun cartridges anyway. Alright, the nail is out of the hole. It isn't a nail, but it is a piece of rubbish. Yeah, some kind of piece of iron. It is junk. Now I gotta fix this crater. Somebody thought this was funny in the last video where I just took a little bit of leaves and was like, oh, sprinkle, sprinkle, I was never there, huh? So you should keep the ground. No joke, there's 2 dogs. Oh, they're coyotes. There's coyotes right over there. 1, 2. Shit. My heart is fucking pounding. I didn't bring my fucking gun with me either. Oh fuck, there's like 5 of them. Oh! I wasn't letting them get any closer. My heart is pounding. There There's at least 5 or 6 of them. I can feel my heartbeat in my throat. They all scattered every which way. Half of me wanted to let them get closer to see on the video, but I don't want them to get too close where they're in a position where they feel like it's fight or flight, you know? I know they're more afraid of me than, you know, I am of them. You know, even though my heart's pounding, I am afraid. They are small too. But it only takes a few good bites to put you down. And they're good at that. They can take down a deer. I'm not as strong as a deer. I do have better defense though. That was freaky. I can actually hear a couple of them backed around. I heard them over here, but a couple of them have come up right on the other side of this hill over here. Probably wondering what the hell made the noise. That's why I don't like, when I'm alone in the woods, I don't like using headphones, even though I prefer to hunt with headphones whenever I hunt, most of the time anyway. I like to be able to hear things like that. You know, anything could be out here. Bears and big cats, packs of coyotes. Not that they would typically attack, but they're hungry enough, you never know. Animals can be funny sometimes, you know. I heard a bunch of rustling. They had come up to the top of that hill and it just went silent. I bet they're watching me right now. And now I'm hearing noises over here. I dare to say that maybe the equinox made some kind of noise. Well, the grunting and stuff. I have it in reading iron because I'm trying to hear the iron. That maybe sounded like an animal in distress or something. Because I had seen them or heard the noise quite a ways away while my detector was still going crazy. And they started coming, you know, over to me. And they got pretty close before I turned my detector off. And I have a fairly keen sense of hearing. I don't imagine they heard it. So there you have it, people. The Mind Lab Equinox attracts predators. Yep. A smarter person would probably get the hell out of here, because now I hear noises over here. They are probably surrounding me. I have goosebumps right now. I haven't heard these ones leave yet. The ground is all dry. I would definitely hear them. They got that close and then stopped. Like I said, a smart person would get the heck out of here. I'm gonna go towards them, see what happens. Anything for a good YouTube video, right? Right here I can see some stones lined up. I'm gonna go ahead and turn my detector on and kind of pretend that these guys aren't there. But I'm gonna keep an ear out. I'm gonna try to stay out of the thick stuff where I can't really see an ambush coming. Oh yeah, they're definitely still around. go up the top of this little bridge here. Put my detector in my left hand and my stabby device in my right hand. See if I can't see if they are there. Where I thought I heard them. I've come across a few solo coyotes in the woods before, but never 4 or 5, maybe even 6 of them like just now. These guys could be crouched down damn close. You hear them? Yeah, that's my cue to get the fuck out of here. That's a lot of coyotes. Shit. There's the one time I don't bring my 9mm out with me too. Never have I had this happen, and trust me, I spent a lot of time walking through the woods. It's weird. Round nails. Or some kid built a fort out here. Suppose now is not the time to be playing around though. I keep hearing noises behind me. I don't know if it's just the leaves, sticks perking up again after I walking over it. Sometimes that happens. But seeing how I just saw a bunch of coyotes, just heard a bunch of coyotes, I'd rather not take my chances. So I'm gonna do the only sane and logical thing. Let's go home and get my gun.
What do you guys think? Should I wear the 45 with the backpack? Or the Glock with the European man purse? I don't care what anybody has to say, Glocks are reliable. Got my Phobos holster with my G-Lock 17 round clip. I do not carry one in the chamber, but I do carry an extra clip. An extra clip for that extra shit. Yeah?
First good find of the day. Nice old buckle. Sometimes these things say the patent dates right there. I can see this one has some sort of design. I'll have to clean it up a bit better when I got home. I nailed it with the shovel. These are usually, this design, usually late 1800s, mid to late 1800s. Because of this location, I'm gonna guess it's more towards the late 18s.
The lantern, right?
Yeah. Sometimes it says stuff on the little wheel there. Even patent dates.
Yep. Triumph. Triumph. Don't let them make it.
Manufacture and go. This is a good portion of the lamp though, oil lamp. Cool.